After the initial excitement of getting the Bluetooth working, I realised that the wipers no longer did. When I turn the switch or press the button, nothing happens, wash or wipe. So the first thing we need to do, check the fuse. So if we take a look at the fuse box cover, inside we have the fuses written in German, and I am fluent at not speaking German. However, I would assume that the Wisher motor is probably the wiper motor. I have a handbook. If we look in the handbook at fuse number 4, windshield wipers and wash does confirm that. So we have power to the fuse, and the wiper motor is controlled by this relay here. So I got the meter to connect it to the relay, and then it just started working. Which makes me think the relay was probably sticking. However, the washer pump still doesn't work. But we know that the washer switch works because when we press the button, the wipers operate. Which probably means the washer pump is seized. I mean, it is 45 years old. But we can always see if it's got power to it when we press the button. So we have power. If we disconnect this, and there's no way that's going to come off without breaking. God, how long has that been in there? We might have to change that hose. It's come off. Woohoo! You can see that it's very gummed up with pretty corroded terminals. Try and clean all this crap out of it. Probably find that's all on the inside of it as well. First off, do we have continuity through the pump? Yes, we do. Now, can we power it off a battery? No. One thing I often do with electronic fuel pumps when they're seized is to remove the power supply and reverse the polarity, so you spin the pump backwards and it can sometimes free it up. So if we put the positive to the negative and the negative to the positive, oh, there you go, look. So that's now spun the pump in reverse, and now we can try and spin the pump forward. And there we go, we freed it up. You might have to stick that in some water, see if it blows. But yeah, that is a good trick. That also works with, if you've got a fuel pump that doesn't work, I often do that, spin the pump in reverse, and then it frees it up and it allows the pump to pump so it can be driven to get a new fuel pump. Okay, I got some warm water. Let's see if she cooperates. She's up for a good night. Let's see if she sucks and blows. Whoa! Bloody hell, that's well powerful. Jesus Christ. Well, that's working. Giving the pump a bit of a clean. I think I need to give this a bit of a clean as well. And as if by magic, she's clean. As clean she's going to get without putting it in like a dishwasher, which will end up in divorce. Let's put the pump back in. And put a bit of water in it. Make sure it doesn't leak. Which it does not. A bit of screen wash in it. Happy days. It's not leaking. Plug that back in. Luckily, that was an easy fix and it didn't cost me anything. And now I'm going to sit here and listen to some happy hardcore on my awesome Bluetooth device. See you next time.